today we will be discussing about propulsion systems and what makes nuclear propulsion system to be more efficient. Let's go. This is a combustion chamber. Before that, let's see what are the things needed for combustion to take place. Combustion takes place with the help of three components, namely fuel, heat, and oxygen. During the process of combustion, the fuel gets converted into high pressure gas. Due to this, force is exerted on all sides of the casing. Now let's eliminate the force that is exerted on the side of the casing. Now let's eliminate the force that has no wall to act upon. The force on all four corners will get cancelled out. Now we are left with the leftward force created by the pressure inside the casing. There is some force which is exerted in the nozzle. Say they act perpendicular to the surface. Now these leftward acting forces are the actual thrust of the rocket. Newton's third law of motion states that every action has an opposite and an equal reaction. See, for example, you want to move upwards. So towards which direction will you apply force so that you can move upwards? If you apply downwards, only then the object will move upwards. We are using this concept in propulsion. When gas is exerted downwards, the rocket will move upwards. Meet my friend Tom. He never eats too much of food before running. And he also told me that this is very necessary for running faster in the race. And by running faster in the race, it will increase the chances of him winning the race. In rocket propulsion, exhaust velocity determines propulsion efficiency. So at a given temperature, the lighter the exhaust gas, the higher the exhaust velocity. The higher the exhaust velocity, the more thrust is generated. Like chemical fuel propulsion, nuclear propulsion uses hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element. Lighter gas is exhausted, higher exhaust velocity is produced, and therefore higher thrust is generated. This is why nuclear propulsion is a lot more efficient